Let me show you how I create this in minutes using AI. This was the initial design, but I said no, I don't want it. I need something professional. And I asked my ChatGPT, don't create for me like an AI, create like a graphic designer. And voila, see this flyer. Hello and welcome back to class. This is MWM Academy, and if you are new here, we teach how to use AI to create pictures, logos, flyers, videos, websites, and even ebook, so you can learn and earn online. If this is the kind of content you are interested in, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on notification so you won't miss future tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to create a professional flyer. So let's go to class. First thing you have to do is to go to your Pinterest. If you did not have it on your phone, please go and download it. After downloading it, just tap on it and it's going to bring you the Pinterest interface. So yeah, we just want to go and come and look for like inspiration. Sure, you understand? So you now search for, click on that search icon. After clicking on it, you go to that up. You can see where you are going to type, because I want to design for fashion designer, so I'm typing luxury fashion flyer design. So that's it. Now after you've put what you're looking for, the type of flyer you want to design for, the type of the brand you want to design for, you now search to look for the one that is fine, the one that you like. So you search, take your time, look at it very well. Don't look for so much, because everything is fine. Almost everything is fine. Almost everything you see here, you are going to like it, and you'll be like, no, let me use this, let me use that. So don't search for too much, so it's not going to take a lot of time. So just look for the one that you see that it's professional, luxury, and is okay. So download it. So now to download, just click on that three. Once you click on the picture that you want, you now click on that three dots. It's going to bring you where it's going to show you another option. Sure, you understand? But here I'm still looking for more to see if there is. You still be looking for, because everything you see here is fine. That's just it. You just keep looking, but let's see. I want to show you how I used to download it. How I used to download the you have seen the picture that you want. So I think I like this, so let me go for this. So to download it, just tap on the picture that you like. You are going to see that three dots. Click on that three dots. So it's going to bring this, and just click on that download image. Once you click on it, it's going to download to your phone. You can see that means it has downloaded. Now we already have our inspo. So before we go to ChatGPT, we have to learn our flyer prompt formula. The first one is business. Like, before the business that we want to, the brand that we want to build, that we want to design flyer for, we have to tell ChatGPT what is the business doing, what are they selling, the goal of the flyer. Sometimes you just want to create flyer like just for awareness, just to greet your customers, happy Father's Day. You have to let ChatGPT know what is the goal of that flyer, and target audience. Who are your target audience for the flyer. The next one is the headline, the main reason why you want to design the flyer. Maybe free AI training. That headline, that short headline, that it has to be catchy, something, it has to be like something that is irresistible, that everybody wants to just listen. Sure, you understand? That is the headline, something like hook. Yes. And the next one is offer in the sense that maybe you want to do like discount sales. Sure, you understand? That is something percent discount free if there is an offer that you want to offer them, or you are giving them free gift if they should buy. You have to let ChatGPT know if there is any offer that you want to like give. So you have to let ChatGPT know, so it's going to add it to your flyer. Brand color is very, very important. So you have to be professional. If for me now, I'm using gold, white, and navy blue. If I want to design flyer for myself, I use the same color. I will tell ChatGPT that this is the color of the brand, so use this color to like design my. So it's not going to like use. It will not even look like it's the person that owns it if you are using different color. So you understand? So you have to let ChatGPT know the brand color of of the business that you are designing the flyer for. Typography, in that typography is also very important, but in the flyer that you are given, it's going to like explain the typography that you like, so you can just choose from it. So you understand, in case you don't like that one and you want to switch, you have another one that you want to switch it to. I mean, the typography is just like the font. So you understand, so if you have another one that you want to put, or you just feel like no, this one is okay, so that's fine. That's for typography. Layout is just like how you want to arrange the offer. So you understand how you want to arrange it. All these typography layout, they are not really important, even the visual style, but you just need to like know about them. But you see, the one that is very very important, no, that's very very important, is that call to action. Buy now, order now, is very very important. You have to let your know the one that fits your brand, so you understand. And the output quality, that one is also is very very important. Like add the quality, the lighting that you want on it, so it's going to look fine, it's not going to be looking blur, so you understand. So now let's go to ChatGPT and prompt our ChatGPT using this formula. So let's go to ChatGPT and prompt ChatGPT like this. Tap on the plus sign, click on photos and pick the pictures, like the flyer that we downloaded from Pinterest. Put it there and you can now add your prompt like this. Now let's read our prompt. I want to design a flyer for my brand, Modest Fashion, that's the name of the brand. So we will be using this as inspo, that picture that I attached. Can you analyze the layout, typography and visual style? You can see that is that three this thing that I said, that you are not really like, you don't have to know much about it before you start creating website. Sure, you understand. So we are going to put that, but you are going to now tell ChatGPT to like analyze it, don't copy it, because we don't need to copy and paste. We want to create our own. So you understand. So you can see it has analyzed the typography, everything, all the design, it has analyzed it. So the next thing that we are now going to give to ChatGPT is the name of our brand. That our formula is what we are now going to give to ChatGPT. All this one is just analysis. So we are now going to let ChatGPT know that this is the name, this is the target audience that you want, everything, the call to action, your business name, username in Facebook, TikTok, all your username. You're going to all the username of the business, so you understand, of the brand. You're going to like tell ChatGPT the color of the brand, everything. You're going to explain to ChatGPT without like let's read the one that I used, the one that I used, so you can see. I didn't record very. I can see that it has added some of it, but you can see I'm using that our prompt formula, and you can see that I added my logo. Can you see that I added my logo before sending the prompt, and I'm letting ChatGPT know that that's the picture of my logo. If you are not giving ChatGPT your logo, it's going to just create random logo for you, and that is not what you want, because like you have to be professional. Sure, you understand. So that's just it. Make sure you give ChatGPT everything ChatGPT. The thing is, AI needs prompts. Once your prompt is okay, it's going to give you a very good result. And if at all, don't get tired. If at all ChatGPT is not giving us good results, we are going to like tell ChatGPT that this is your mistake. I don't want you to like design for me as like AI. Design for me like you are a graphic designer. So you understand. So let's see the outcome. So I've sent the prompt and I'm waiting for ChatGPT to like. So this is it. It's ready now. But ChatGPT is not going to give us the logo directly. It's going to like give us what a prompt that we can use. You can use this prompt here on ChatGPT, and you can just take it out from ChatGPT and like go and design with any other AI tools that you know. It can give you picture, any AI tools that is giving picture, like that can generate picture, so you can just go and give it to that AI. So but for me, I still want to like create my I will still want to like create my flyer here on. You can see this is the image prompt. I still want to create it here on ChatGPT. So you understand? So all I have to do is to just copy all these prompts and paste it back on ChatGPT. Let's do that. So you can see that I'm already copying the prompt, and you see that I will just copy it and paste it. That's all. Paste it and then send it. That's it. And ChatGPT is generating our flyer for us. Don't be disappointed. If ChatGPT should give us nonsense, we are going to send it back to ChatGPT and adjust it. But before that, let's just wait and see what ChatGPT wants to generate for us. You can see that this is already it's already giving that AI vibes. You can see this logo. If you want to know how I create this logo is very, very beautiful. You know why? Is giving that shoe, because this logo are designed for a shoe brand. Like the person is selling shoe, the person is selling bags, the person is selling hijab, the person is the name of the person, the name of the business is, and he's giving all the vibes: hijab vibes, bag icon, shoe. You can see the logo, and I created this logo. And I did a tutorial on how to also create logo. So if you want to learn how to create a professional logo just like this one, you can also reach out to me, or no, it's already there. You can just put in the comment section that you want to like learn how to create logo using ChatGPT. But sincerely, I don't like this AI. I didn't like this flyer, and the reason why is that the model the model that ChatGPT is using is Oyinbo. This is Nigeria brand. It's Nigeria brand, you can see. So that's why I didn't like. So we have to like tell ChatGPT that this I don't want it, and I want it to like give me something else. So I prompted ChatGPT and said that I don't like this design. I want you to like twist it, and don't design for me like an AI. I want you to design for me like a graphic designer. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT is doing. Yes, I forgot to like put that I want a Nigerian model, not Igbo as now. So that's what I'm saying. That you use Nigerian model, I beg. So let's see what ChatGPT wants to give us now. You are now going to compare it to this first one. So anytime ChatGPT give you what you not like, you can just be like, how do you think we can improve this? This is not what I want. I want you to design like a human being. I want you to design like a tailor. I want you to like what what you want to do. Like tell it, like I want you to design like you're a human being and you are in that field. Sure, you understand? You can even put like 10 years. So in case you need anything, because maybe you are not giving, your fault is from you. Maybe you are the one that you are not giving ChatGPT what you're supposed to give, like enough information to give you a professional website, professional this thing, anything, professional flyer. Maybe you are not doing that. Maybe you are the fault is from you. Sure, you understand? You can just tell ChatGPT in case you need anything, any information for you to give me a professional that thing you want to do, ask me and I will like give you the information. Sure, you understand? So in case ChatGPT don't need anything, it's not going to like ask you, and you are going to provide the information, and it's going to give you a sweet one. Sure, you understand? So that's how AI is very, very like. Let's wait. Oh wow, it's ready. Can you see the difference from that navy blue and gold nonsense that ChatGPT gave me for? Can you see? Is this not looking like, yes, this is a professional with 10 years experience graphic designer that built this, like that designed this? Can you see that? If someone should tell you that this is AI, will you believe? So anything that this is giving you, it's from the prompt. And don't just get tired immediately and be like, no, ChatGPT can do it, no, AI can do it. Start looking for the way that you can just tell ChatGPT to like do more. Sure, you get. And that's just it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do like and make sure you turn on your notification so you won't miss future tutorial. So it is the same ChatGPT that created this and this. Can you see? So bye, see you in my next video.